because we cannot get fabric up onto the machine. We have to lift very heavy.
Okay. So the fabric roller is all working now. Just the way of the solution.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, that's good. So now walk back around the front of the machine.
Okay, the folding part, the first one is okay. Following we will offer the video for guidance.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is the wetting part, and following the cutting, stacking. Packaging machine, the eye mark have been faded, so it's no problem. Also the date printer.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, I see. The labels, make sure it runs well, and the packaging machine is no problem for now.
Yeah, should be okay.
Okay, on the back side of the machine seems everything is well, and the water tanks. Connection tank functions well. Okay, I see. So seems for now everything is okay. Just for the 2 points we will offer later.
Okay, no worries.
Okay, appreciate. Okay.
No worries, Eric.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Eric.
Yeah.
Thanks so much, Eric. I appreciate that. Thank you.